Hey, Will, what you doing? What you doing, huh? What you doing? Are you gonna roll over for Mommy? You're gonna roll towards Mommy? That'd be really cool. Come on, roll towards Mommy. Come on, Roly Poly. Come on, Roly Poly. There we go. You could do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Roly Poly with the snotty nose. Come on, Roly Poly. Come on, Roly Poly. Come on, roll towards Mommy. You could do it. You could do it. Or roll away from Mommy, whichever you prefer. God bless you. God bless you. Would you like your binky? Oh, binky. Oh, binky, binky, binky. There's your brother. He's awake and grumpy. No big surprise there. I love him, but some days he's rough.
Yes, we are lifelong best friends. Get it?
Hi, cutie.
They may have been a lot of fun.
I'm going to roll over.
The fast food joint as we know it can be traced back to a source with a now familiar name.
Back in 1948, the McDonald's brothers actually opened the first restaurant in San Bernardino, California.
Inspired by Henry Ford, the McDonald's replaced short-order cooks with unskilled workers, each completing one step of the process, like an assembly line, making the food fast and consistent.
Nothing, Bug? You're not going to roll over for Mommy?
Car hops and waitresses, plates and silverware, and thus dishwashers, making the food less expensive. Years later, a milkshake mixer salesman would buy out the McDonald brothers and use their food service model to spin the business into hamburger gold.
You're so handsome. Come roll over to Mommy, please. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on.
State Foods operates 12 distribution centers that service McDonald's in several U.S. regions, as well as
Yeah. Come on. Come on. I love you.
this is their largest facility, located in City of Industry, California.
There's over 1,000 McDonald's restaurants in the Southern California market and Las Vegas.
You're so handsome.
Because of the proximity of the Los Angeles ports, we also prep shipment would look like if all 40
Yay! Way to roll over, Bug. You gonna roll back for Mommy? Come on. Let's do belly to back now. We've seen back to belly. Let's do belly to back. Come on, Buggy. Oh, good burp. Good burp. There's your brother hollering.
This is where we keep eggs for breakfast, cheese for our sandwiches.
Oh, you're so handsome.
Freezer this side is maintained at below zero. This is where we keep the protein items, the beef patties, the chicken products.
I know you scoop backwards, but you don't scoop forward yet. Heck, you only started rolling belly to back a couple days ago.
The order is downloaded
Still recovering from your shots, Bug?
from the mainframe to the actual order selectors.
Have I told you how handsome you are? Oh, come on, you can do it!
Directed to the order selector via voice 3059. And
You
go
could
directly
do
to
it.
the order selection location, and they're specifying the quantity of the item to select and the type of
Come on.
product to select.
Scooch forward, not backwards. You're going backwards.
Workers load
You're getting further
specified
away.
products onto pallets, which are then forklifted onto delivery trucks. From production to distribution to consumption, McDonald's operates like a well-oiled machine. And though it may be the
Okay,
proverbial
handsome.
800-pound gorilla,
I'll just let you
it isn't the only burger stand now.
hang out, okay?
Like Wendy's, Jack in the Box, Burger King, and Carl's Jr. also take a big bite out of the fast food biz, using various strategies.
Love you.
Obesity awareness
Hi.
and bashing.
What you doing?
Is on the offensive. Building
What you
burgers
doing? Are
and
you scooting backwards?
topping them with gooey sauces,
Are you doing push-ups?
slabs of pastrami, layers of
Baby
bacon,
push-ups?
and gobs of guacamole.
So this is the satay sauce.
Wow.